Are you tired of plain, boring walls? Want to add a personal touch to your space without hiring a designer? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create and print stunning custom wall art using Canva's free templates, all in just a few simple steps. Whether it's for your home, office, or a gift, you'll be able to design something truly unique. First, open the Canva app on your computer or go to canva.com in your browser. Type wall art in the search bar and hit enter. You'll see a variety of ready-made templates with beautiful designs. If you like any of these designs, you can edit them and create your own wall art. Or if you want, you can start a design on your own from scratch. Choose a design that fits your style or message. Click on it to open in the Canva editor. Now comes the fun part. Change the text, fonts, colors, and images to make it your own. Want to add your own quote? Just click the text box and start typing. Use the resize option if you need specific dimensions, like 8/10 or a 4. Quick tip, make sure your design has enough margin so nothing gets cut off during printing. Click on the Share button at the top right, then select Download. Choose PDF print for the best quality. You can also pick JPG or N for digital use. Now you're ready to print. Use your home printer or take the file to a local print shop. Pro tip, print on high-quality matte paper for a professional finish. You've just created a beautiful piece of wall art completely customized and print-ready. You can even frame it for a premium look or gift it to someone special. Bonus tip, want to make a full set? Just duplicate your design and tweak the colors or messages to match your theme. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the Tutorial Lab for more easy, creative tutorials. Have any questions or want to share your wall art design? Drop a comment below, I reply to everyone. And don't forget to check out my video on how to create personalized greeting cards in Canva, link in the description. Thanks for watching. Click here to watch another helpful video.